Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, fishing an electric only event with the man himself, Matt Downs.
What up, what up?
Got him back there, rigged up with a spinnerbait and ready to catch some bass. When was the last time you went bass fishing, Matty?
Oh God, it's probably been at least a year and a half. It's just not really my thing. I do a lot of the saltwater bass, but freshwater is a different creature.
And we're in a tournament scenario, so this is gonna be pretty fun. There's like 25, 30 boats out here. The water on this lake right now is probably down 7 feet, maybe more. So all of my experiences that I've had out here are basically out the window. Maybe start with a little bit of topwater, definitely spinnerbait, moving baits, and go from there. Hopefully we can catch some fish. Let's go. I don't know if that was a carp or a bass that just jumped right there, but it was big. Oh, it's a lot of grass. You know what? We're actually gonna go the other way. It's gonna be shallow up there, but I think it's worth checking out. Yeah, we should be in like 18 feet and we're in 8, 9. Got him. The little guy. I don't. Hang on, let me see what he is. Spin a bait. All right, fish number 1. Tiny, but skunks out of the boat. Yeah. 808, first fish in the boat. Oh, you will. I have a feeling. If we can get on like a good, if we can find them up shallow like that, you'll catch one. Spinnerbait fish. Fish number 1. Small one, but I was just talking to Matt about this. It's always good just to get that first fish in the boat. We get to fish till 2 o'clock today, so plenty of time to catch 4 more. Hopefully more than 4. Hopefully we can cull. Just right on that grass edge. Do they get up in the river and stay there through the winter?
Yeah.
That's cool. That's big.
Yeah.
That, oh, got him. Oh, this feels like a cat. Oh, it's a good one. Yeah, grab that net for me.
Oh, yeah, brother.
That's what we're talking about right there. Right at the boat, man. He smoked it.
Awesome.
Take over. Yeah. And look at this whole area. Nobody's here. Love to see it. Oh, he was going nowhere. See that?
Battles on him.
Yeah, exactly. He's a little beat up.
Hey.
It's like some sort of bacteria infection on his sides. I don't even want to put him in the live well, but we're doing it. Get in there, buddy. It's a decent fish. He's probably 4.5 pounds. On that same spinnerbait right there. I saw some like sitting out a little bit deeper off of this bank. He just like freight trained it, dude. I was not ready for that. Sweet. 8:30.
Nice fish.
Thanks, man. That's the kind we need. We need a bunch of those. It's funny, I can see these waypoints that I've dropped out here. Like, there was one like right here. There's a bunch like up here and here. It's just up on these big points. It's so cool to see it out of the water like that. I'm gonna keep moving us kind of quick up it. There's this big creek up here to the right. I don't know if it'll be good or not, but be worth checking out. Got him. Oh. About to fall out of the freaking boat. Yeah, feels like another decent one too.
Good one.
That'll work.
3.
That's a healthy one.
Yeah, he looks healthy.
He is healthy for sure. All right.
Another spinner.
Another spinnerbait fish. Lucky. I literally just heard something pop over here. I just made the cast over to him. Number 3. Fish. He's probably 3 1/4. All right, number 3. Just like pushed up over here, I guess. There's, dude, I hit the trolling motor once I hooked him. I almost ended up on the other side of the boat. Awesome. All right, that's fish number 3. I've been throwing this depth spinnerbait around, catching all 3 fish that are in the boat have been caught on this. It's kind of random, like 2 fish somewhat off the bank. That one was chasing bait or something. It's windy banks. Like, I just want to go. I want to go everywhere and see everything. I'm like, I don't know.
I have no one.
Oh, here's another good one.
All I gotta do is talk to you and you'll catch all the fish.
You're gonna get the big one. Actually, this one's not as big as I thought it was, but he's good. Oh, that works. Hey, the assist, baby. Let's go. What is this, 4?
Number 4. You're putting them in here.
Hey, man, it's a team tournament. If they're in the boat that you built, something. No, he's 3 pounds. It's giving me a lot of confidence that we're gonna cull that first one, the small one. We should get rid of him. So wait, all right, that's number 4, 901. They're biting good. Hopefully it stays that way. Quick knot check. Yep. Yeah. Switch.
Good job.
Number 5. Right up on the bank.
So what you do without me, that's all it takes.
Dude, I don't know. Probably be losing them boat side. Thank God you're here with the net. This is how Ace feels, don't worry. Usually I'm the one netting all the fish. That boy catches them. All right, that's our limit. 950. Sweet.
Fish on.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That's a cold bird trigger. Take your time with it. Good job.
Get on him too, boy.
Bingo.
Well, he's ugly, but at least I put one in the boat. He's probably bigger than the first one.
Oh, 100%. Here, take the front.
I got you.
Keep casting. That's a very good cull, dude. I mean, that first fish is like, sorry, I just realized I left this out there. It's like 12 inches, if that. This one, I mean, this is a 2.5 pounder, though he is a little beat up. That's okay.
Reeling in these, 5, 6 pound stripers.
You're like, big fish.
I can't judge this.
Like, look at that.
Yeah, that's definitely a good call.
That's a great cull. You kidding me?
Sweet.
We just needed this
Don't
one.
throw the wrong one back.
Oh, I won't. I'll try not to. Good catch, good catch.
All right, now I'm getting hyped.
Should be. We got a good bag going, dude. Like, I don't even know what the smallest one is. This is when it gets fun. Awesome. All right, so this one's got to go back.
One fish? One fish.
Don't worry.
See you later, buddy.
You'll get another one. Next one's got to go is the one that I just caught, which is 277. We got 17 pounds and it's like 11 o'clock. It's 10:30. Yeah, me too. Nah, dude, there's no redemption needed.
277 is the...
That's the, yeah, you got to beat a 277. Got tough quick.
Yeah, you ain't lying.
Strange. I know, man. I mean, I haven't gotten bit either.
Got him. Good shit.
I know.
Oh no, he's kind of fat.
He is kind of fat. Short but fat. Definitely went into a bit of a lull. It's 12:47 now. And after, I want to say it was like probably 11 o'clock when we caught that last fish.
Yeah.
Since then, it was just dead. Kept throwing that spinnerbait around. Didn't have any bites. I tried a jig, tied a shaky head on. Threw a glide bait, jerk bait, underspin, and the one that I just caught was on this shaky head with a black, who makes this? Daiwa. It's like a Daiwa Senko looking deal. Definitely some there, a little deeper. I feel like we got a good chance of making a little bit of money.
I like your confidence.
We got 17. We might need one more big one because this place fishes like it's close. Like the difference between 17 pounds and 19 pounds could be the difference between like 10th and 1st.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's go weigh them in.
Right. New to me, man.
Ready? There you go.
Yeah, you got it.
You good, man? Yeah. I'm good. Sorry.
Where if they fall out, we'll get them. There you go. You got 5?
Yeah, 5.
Got one over 5?
No. Close, but I don't think. Nah, I don't think so.
Nice. 16.
Oh,
1663.
very nice. Taking second right now,
second place.
1663. Good job.
Sweet. Nice, good work, man.
I was just a net man.
Hey, that man counts too, like I say.
I think he fishes a little. I don't know.
I built this bit.
I got lucky. He built this up.
If it wasn't he would be fishing.
Take it back, bring it back.
You want to take him down?
Let's go. Let him go real quick.
Good job, guys.
Thank you. Actually, yeah, let's get a picture. Hey, we're in second right now.
There's only,
One more guy.
Travis only has 3.
That's what a lot of people had. 3. Sweet.
He's the last one.
See ya.
He said that they're pretty much done.
Bye. Good work, man. Hell yeah. All right, let me go. Well, Matt and I somehow managed to finish in second place. Super stoked on that. I think there were like 24 boats or something like that out there. It's been a little while since I filmed this video, but the bite was awesome. I literally just got lucky and stumbled upon that shallow spinnerbait bite. We ended up catching 9 or 10 fish till about 10:30, 11 o'clock, and then the bite completely shut off. I caught one more fish the rest of the day on a shaky head, and besides that, didn't have another bite. So we definitely got very lucky catching fish early, and staying on that bite. Like once I got the first fish on the spinnerbait, I tied one up for Matt, and then I really hardly put it down the rest of the day till I went like an hour without getting a bite. But as always, it was a really fun event fishing with RLOS. It's Rip and Lips Open Series. They're an electric only bass fishing series. It's super fun. It's well run, well put together, great people. Everyone's super nice. And Matt and I might be fishing a few of those together next year. So hope you guys are looking forward to that. Also, don't forget to check out Matt Downs' YouTube channel, Facebook page, website. You know, he let Ace and I run the King Neptune all last season. It was one of the best seasons we've ever had, and he just does phenomenal work. So if you need anything John Boat related, he is the man to hit up. He'll help you out and he'll get you set. Stoked on that second place, and I'm hoping to keep that run good going. I'm actually fishing a tournament this weekend with my Uncle Jack on Lake Anna, so very excited and looking forward to that, and I hope you guys are looking forward to it as well. If you can't wait for another video, I've just posted one over on Angler's Choice's channel, and if you want to check that out, I have a link for it down in the description below, and I might even pop it up in that corner, so go check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.